Ever pondered about the role of accumulation in the realm of business intelligence? Well, today is an opportune time to delve into this fascinating topic. Accumulation, in the simplest terms, is about gathering or piling up data over a specific period. In the context of business intelligence, it refers to the systematic collection of data, information, and insights that businesses use to make strategic decisions. This concept is pivotal to the functionality of business intelligence, serving as its backbone. Now, imagine a library. It's not just a collection of random books, is it? The books are organized, categorized, and stored in a way that makes it easy for you to find what you're looking for. Similarly, accumulation in business intelligence is not just about collecting data, but organizing it in a way that it can be easily accessed and analyzed. The first step in the accumulation process involves identifying the data that needs to be collected. This is usually determined by the goals and objectives of the business. For instance, a retail business might be interested in accumulating data on sales trends, customer preferences, and market conditions. Once the relevant data is identified, the next step is data extraction. This involves pulling data from various sources such as databases, spreadsheets, social media platforms, and other digital channels. The extracted data is then cleaned, which means removing any errors or inconsistencies to ensure its accuracy. The cleaned data is then transformed into a format that can be easily analyzed. This might involve converting the data into graphs, charts, or other visual formats that make it easy to spot trends and patterns. Finally, the accumulated data is stored in a data warehouse. This is a large database designed to store and manage large volumes of data. The data warehouse serves as a central repository for all the accumulated data, making it easy for businesses to access and analyze the data when needed. The accumulation process in business intelligence is a continuous one. Businesses need to constantly update their data to keep up with changes in the market conditions, customer behaviors, and other factors that might affect their operations. In summary, accumulation in business intelligence involves identifying, extracting, cleaning, transforming, and storing data. This systematic process allows businesses to collect and manage large volumes of data, which they can use to make informed decisions. It's akin to building a library of knowledge that businesses can tap into anytime they need to make strategic decisions. Remember, accumulation is not just about collecting data, it's about organizing it in a way that it can be easily accessed and analyzed. It's about turning raw data into valuable insights that can drive a business's success. So, the next time you think about business intelligence, remember that accumulation is its backbone. It's the foundation upon which all other activities rest.